Hello again. Today I'm going to produce a wooden fruit in the lathe. The material is Goncalo Alves, and we start off with a piece of rough stock. We then reduce it to a cylindrical shape with a register at each end. We're then able to drill a pilot hole in one end. We can then turn it round, put a pilot hole in the other end, which will enable us to finish the item without showing any visible means of how it's being held in the lathe. So here we go. You reduce the stock to a cylindrical shape, getting rid of all the flats. Second part of the process is to put a register at each end. There's the first register going in. And there's the second one. Now this is so that I can hold the work in a 4-jaw chuck. Take out the drive center. And replace it with the 4-jaw chuck. And then remount the work. And away we go again. I start off by roughing out the shape. This end is going to be the smaller end where the stalk goes. At this stage I can hog off the stock because it is firmly held in the chuck. The latter stages where it's only held on the screw, that is where I do a little bit more delicate work. Now able to remove it from the chuck, turn it round, clamp it up, remove the stock, down to the centre. Now I need to produce the reverse curvature on that large end where the seed goes into the centre. This operation is quite safe because it's firmly held in the chuck. Now I'm going to drill the pilot hole. Replace the tailstock centre and continue to produce the shape. This type of timber has an interlocking grain and is exceptionally hard. So you need to keep the tools reasonably sharp. We can now remove the work from the chuck. Remove the 4-jaw chuck and replace it with the drill chuck with a screw mounted in it. This is where the delicate bit comes in, because the work is now going to be driven by that wood screw. So we can only make delicate cuts from this point on. And while we're at it, I forgot to produce the pilot hole in the opposite end, so I'll do that now. Replace the tailstock centre and remove the surplus stock here. Now it does help if you've got you need X-ray eyes here, because you need to see the final shape. As you can see the final shape on the video there. Trim off that stock and smooth off the joining contour. Now, during this process, if you're producing a different shape, such as an apple, you may choose to support the work at the other end. And as you will see here, I'm sanding the work, and later I shall be reversing it, turning it round, so I'm reversing the rotation and I'm also able to work at the other end. At this stage, if you wish, you can remove the work and remount it from the other end. I'm applying some sanding sealer. That really brings up the grain. You can see the various colours in it. Now I can reverse it, remount it and clean up the other end. Bring up the tailstock, quick rub down, final coat of sanding sealer, rub it well in, let it harden off. Quick coat of carnauba wax. That really brings up the lustre. Take it out. Put the seed in the bottom end and the stalk in the other end. These of course will be finally glued in position. And there is the bowl of fruit in all its glory.